And we are tracking some breaking news right now. You may remember this video. This was firefighters they ended up rescuing 22 people back in April during massive flooding in downtown Pullman, and they used that front end loader to do the task. So months later now, the Washington Department of Labor is fining the city of Pullman $2,700.
The fine, they say, for 3 violations. The first is for the driver who didn't have water rescue training to operate that front end loader. The second was for the lack of proper equipment, and the last citation was for the lack of safeguards while the firefighters rode in that front end of the loader.